Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, I am with the lovely Sandra, and today we're giving her a really sultry, sexy look. And to start off this look, I am using our HD Liquid Foundation to really even out her complexion and to give her a really nice, flawless complexion as well. Please don't mind my voice, guys. I am getting over the flu, and I've lost my voice for a couple of days, so I am just finally getting it back. Alright, so we're going to conceal and highlight to add that dimension back to her skin. And I am using a lighter foundation that's a couple shades lighter than her skin tone. And I'm just going to apply that under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose and her forehead, all in the highlighted areas to give her that nice dimension. So when I'm applying my highlight, I always like to apply it with a brush first, and then I blend it out with the Real Techniques beauty sponge. You can use a beauty blender or a regular makeup sponge, whatever you prefer. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually setting her makeup using a damp sponge, and I'm using a lighter powder in the highlighted areas so we can keep that area nice and light. And then I'm going to go in with another powder to set the rest of her face. So here I am setting the rest of her face with a powder that matches her skin tone. And of course, guys, I am going to contour because I really want to bring out her beautiful cheekbones. So I'm contouring using the Nicole Webster Dark Highlight and Contour Palette. And I'm just going to contour her cheek. So now I'm going in with a blush, and I'm also going to apply the blush on her eyelids. I love doing this trick because it just adds a really nice flush of color to the lid without having to apply eyeshadow if you don't want to. Moving on to brows, I am going to fill in her brows using my brow pencil in brunette. And I'm just going to kind of fill them and shape them so they look nice and full. And then I'm going to set her brows after that with a brow mascara. But as you can see here, I'm using a little concealer to kind of define the shape of her brow a little bit more and to give it a nice clean look. You want to make sure to blend out that concealer and then set it with a powder as well. And here I am going in with the brow mascara to further shape her brow and to set it and keep it in place. Moving on to eyes, we are doing a really beautiful chocolatey sultry eye, and I'm using the Coco Couture palette. Oh, I can't speak, guys. Coco Couture palette, and I'm using the darkest shade in that palette, and I'm just blending it all over the lid, bringing it up right into the crease. And I'm bringing that same color down to the lower lash line. So we're wrapping that color right around her entire eye to give her that really gorgeous smoky look. Okay, so to really intensify this eye, I'm using my gel liner in Black Caviar, and I'm applying it to her waterline, and I'm also going to apply it to the upper lash line. And as you can see here, I'm doing a tight liner technique, which is pretty difficult, but she was really brave enough to let me do this technique on her, and it came out great. And of course, for this look, you cannot go without your lashes. So I'm just applying some Ardell lashes to really amplify this sultry, sexy eye. To finish off the look, I decided to go with a really pretty purple lip. I thought it really complemented the entire look, especially her complexion. And it just gives this look a beautiful pop of color. Here it is, guys, the finished look. Doesn't she look so gorgeous? I absolutely love this look. It's a perfect look for a date night as well, or a night out on the town. Absolutely love it.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love the lashes. I love the lips. Oh, and I have blush. Never forget blush. It's beautiful. I love it. What makes me confident in my skin is, I think, feeling beautiful inside and out. I think when I started having confidence in my own abilities, when I look in the mirror, whether I have makeup or not, and I just think I'm beautiful. And I think that I am beautiful inside and out. That's what makes me confident in my skin. Hey, what do I love about being a black woman? I think I love the uniqueness of black women, and I think I love the association we have with being strong and being able to rise up against anything, whether it's raising children, whether it's school, whether it's anything. I find that as black women, we always accomplish what we set out for, and I think that's what I love about being a black woman, the strength. Hey, what would I tell my 12-year-old self is that not to think about the insecurities, that beauty just grows, and it doesn't just grow on your face like your facial features, but it grows from inside. And as you make yourself to be the person that you want to be inside, your beauty will flourish outside. So not to stress so much about looking so pretty or how your features are or what's large on your face, but focus so much more on being beautiful inside, so you can bring out the beauty through who you are to everyone.